Hello, students. In my last class, I had started lesson number 3, Nouns, Common and Proper, from your Tune Into Grammar book. I had already explained you what are common noun and proper noun. So, and we had done the one exercise also. Today, before starting my class, I will give a quick recap of noun and common and proper noun so that it will be easy for you to complete the exercise given in the book. So, noun, you already know that naming words are called nouns, and that means naming words are the names of people, places, animals, and things. So, you already know the definition of noun as the naming words are called any name. Any name is a noun, and that is naming words are the names of people, places, animals, and things. So, we already know about noun. Now, there is a division for noun as common noun and proper noun. And I had told you in my last class what are common noun and what are proper noun. So you already know that the general name of a person, place, animal, or thing is a common noun. Okay, so we denote it by common noun. That is a general name. That can be a general name like girl, boy, city, state, country, dog, cat, parrot. Means these are common names. When we say dog, it doesn't mean we are specifying one dog. Dog means it can be any dog. Okay, so this is a general name. And proper noun, as I told you, is a special name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So proper noun is a special name. So like as I gave the example of dog. So if I say dog, when I'm saying it's a common noun, but when I'm saying Tommy, so Tommy is a proper noun. Why Tommy is a proper noun? Because that Tommy is a name of a dog. Okay, so Tommy is a name of a dog, and it can be told as a special name. Okay, that is the special name of a dog. It denotes, if I say Tommy, Tommy means I'm talking about that dog only. So that is a proper noun. And proper noun, as I told you, it specifies a special name. So if I say girl or a boy, girl or a boy is a common noun, but when I say Prachi, it's a name of a girl, and so it becomes a proper noun because I am specially talking about Prachi, the girl I am denoting it to. So Prachi, if I say, that means among the girls I am talking about Prachi, so that becomes a proper noun. Okay, and one more way to identify a proper noun is that it always begins with a capital letter. So, the easiest way to identify a proper noun is that it begins with a capital letter. So, whenever you see that the name is starting with a capital letter, you can easily identify it as a proper noun. Okay? Now, I had already done this underline the naming words in this sentence in my last class, page number 16. I am talking about page number 16 in your Tune Into Grammar book, and I had already done this underline the naming words in these sentences. Okay, now we will move to page number 17, and page number 17 also there are words, and we have to put it in the correct column, that is as a common noun and a proper noun. As a common noun or a proper noun, we have to select and segregate from these words what are given, and then we have to put in the proper box. And I had already done 4, and I had asked you to identify and do it. Still today I will give you the answers again. I will repeat, and so that you will complete this exercise. So see here, first one is Canada. You can see C is in capital, so we will put it for proper noun. Next one is rhinoceros, is R is in small, that means it's a common noun. Bay of Bengal, you can see B is in capital, Bengal B is in capital, that means it's a proper noun. This is the easy way I am telling you, so that you can identify easily. Okay, so whenever some words are given and you have to segregate as proper and common noun, this is the easiest process to identify as I had already told you that the proper noun always begins with a capital letter. So Bay of Bengal, you can see B is capital, we are putting it for proper noun. 1001 Arabian Nights, here also you can see A is in capital, N is in capital, that means it's a proper noun. Okay, now we will move to the next one. Cricket, you can see cricket. Cricket, C is small, so C is in small letter, so we'll put it for common noun. MAY, May, and M is in capital, so we'll put it for proper noun. Next one, singer, SINGER, S is in small, S is in small letter, so singer we will put it for common noun. Ocean, ocean, O is also in small, so we'll put it for common noun. Then here also when I tell you that singer and ocean, these are common noun. But if I name any singer, like if I say that Arijit Singh, okay, so that singer, then it becomes a proper noun because we are specifying one singer. If I am telling about Arijit Singh, means I am speaking about Arijit Singh, that becomes we are specifying that is a special name of a singer and we can put it for proper noun. If Arijit Singh, if I write. If ocean also, ocean will come for common noun, but if we name any ocean, then it will be like if I say Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, then it comes for proper noun. But here it's ocean, so we will write it for common noun. Here next one we see Olympic Games. O is in capital, you can see O is in capital, so we will put it for proper noun. Week, W is in small, so we will put it for common noun. If it was Monday, week we are saying, no, so week we are putting it for common noun. Okay, then next one is Aditya. Aditya is a name of a boy, so A is in capital and we will put it for proper noun. Next one is Eiffel Tower, that is E is in capital, so we will put it for proper noun. So this is done. Now next B, write a common noun for each proper noun. So here proper noun, that is the special name is given. Now we have to identify and write the common noun. First one is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is a city, so we will write here city. In the common noun box we will write city. Number 2, the Holy Bible is a book, so we will write here book, BOOK, book. Number 3, Indian Ocean is a ocean, so we will write OCEAN, ocean, common noun, that is ocean, and when we write Indian Ocean it becomes a proper noun because that is the name of an ocean. Mrs. Anandi Sharma is a woman, so we will write WOMAN. That becomes a common noun. When you are writing woman, it becomes a common noun, but when we are telling specially the name like Mrs. Anandi Sharma, then it is a proper noun. Okay. Next one, Christmas. Christmas, everyone knows this is a festival, so we'll write here a festival. And when we are writing when we are writing the common noun, you should always start with a small letter, because we already know that common noun we denote with the small letter and proper noun we always denote the first letter as the capital letter. Now next one is Tom. Then Tom is a boy, so we will write BOY, boy. September is a month, so we will write MONTH, month. India Gate is a monument, so we'll write MONUMENT, 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 monument. Next one, 9, Tuesday is a day. Indonesia, you can see Indonesia is a country. Okay, COUNTRY, country. Tuesday is a day, 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 and Indonesia is a country. That means when we are saying country, it is a common noun, and when we are saying Indonesia, it is a proper noun because it's a name of a country. Okay, and as I told you, common noun always you write the starting letter as in small. Okay, and proper noun we always write the first letter in capital. Now we will move to the next page. Now take out page number 18. Now we have to underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. Okay, so you can see here it is been asked to circle the proper noun and underline the common noun. So, okay. So, here we can see that you see first one, Zuzu is our pet rabbit. So, you can see the first letter is capital Z, and so it is a proper noun. So, we'll circle Zuzu. And rabbit, you can see the first letter is small, so we'll underline. Next one, the Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. Here also you can see Victoria is starting with a capital letter, so we will circle this, and Kolkata also is starting with a capital letter, that means it's a proper noun, so we'll circle Kolkata also. Number 3, Veena and Rashi are playing chess. So here also you can see Veena, V is capital, Rashi, R is capital. So we will circle Veena and Rashi because these are proper noun, and chess, you can see C is small, so chess we will underline. Next one, 4, Apurvu likes to eat papayas. So here also A is capital, you can see Apurv is a name, so we will circle it as a proper noun, and then papayas, you can see P is in small, so we will underline it. Number 5, Venice. Venice is one of the most beautiful cities in Italy. So you can see V is in capital, we will circle Venice is a proper noun, and cities, you can see CITIES, cities is a common noun, so we will underline it, and Italy is also a proper noun, and you can see it that I is in capital, so we will circle it. Next one, number 6, Sania Mirza is my favorite tennis player. So you can see here S is in capital, M is in capital. So we will circle Sania Mirza, and tennis player T, you can see, is in small letter. So tennis we will underline. Next one, the Pacific Ocean is the world's largest ocean. You can see here P is in capital, O is in capital. So we will circle Pacific Ocean, and ocean, you can see world's largest ocean, O is in small letter, so we will underline it as a common noun, and the Pacific Ocean becomes a proper noun. Next one, 8, Mrs. Fana Gupta is our Hindi teacher. You can see Mrs. Fana Gupta is written in capital, so we will circle it as a proper noun. And Hindi, we will again circle it, H is in capital, Hindi is a subject, Hindi is also a proper noun, and teacher, you can see T is in small, and teacher is a common noun because teacher refers to all the teachers. Okay, and when we say Hindi teacher, means we are specifically specifying the teacher of Hindi. Okay, so Hindi we will circle as proper noun, and teacher T is in small, so we will underline it as a common noun. Next one, Argo and Sumita are reading comics. Here also name Argo and Sumita are names and special names, so we will circle it as proper noun, and reading comics, you can see comics we will underline as a common noun. Yes. Number 10, the Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. So here you can see Taj Mahal is written in capital, we will circle it as a proper noun, and monument, M is in small, so monument we are underlining it as a common noun. So this is done. Now D we will do. So all this work you have to do in the book itself, so no need to write this in the copy. In the book only you will circle and underline. D we are doing, read these sentences, identify the common and proper noun in them, put them in the correct column. So here, there you can see in the next page, page number 19, there is a column for common noun and proper noun. Now you have to identify by reading these sentences, and then you have to identify the proper noun and common noun. So I have actually written P dot N as proper noun and C dot N as common noun for you to understand. Now what you have to do, you have to write this in the box. This column you can see common noun and proper noun, there you have to write. If the space is not, if it becomes less, then you go to the down part of the book, and there also you can make the column and write the rest of the proper and common noun. Okay, so I will tell you now which are proper noun and common noun, and as you can see I have denoted P dot N as proper noun and C dot N as common noun. Now you have to write it in the column. You have to, as I have done, you have to underline and write P dot N and C dot N as common noun, proper noun and common noun, and then you will write in this box. And if the space is not enough, down also you can draw the box as common noun and proper noun, and there also you can write it. Now see, first one, Tupur is a famous artist. Tupur is proper noun. You can see T is in capital. Artist is common noun. Number 2, a long time ago there lived a king in Africa. So king is common noun because K is in small letter, and Africa is proper noun. A is in capital letter. Next one, number 3, an old porcupine called Needles lived in a forest with his sons Hockey and Pocky. Okay, so here you can see porcupine is common noun, Needles is a name, so proper noun, forest is again a common noun, sons is a common noun, Hockey and Pocky you can see is in capital letter, and these are names, so these are proper noun. And they love to eat apples. Apples is common noun because you can see A is in small, okay, and apples, it does not refer to a specific apple, it can be any apple, so we will write here common noun. Now number 4, Hyderabad is a city famous for its beautiful pearls. So Hyderabad you all know is the name of a city, so it becomes proper noun, city is common noun, and pearls is common noun. Okay, next one, pizza is my favorite dish. Pizza is proper noun, P is in capital. Dish is common noun. It is a flat bread. Bread is common noun. We top it with tomato sauce and cheese and bake in the oven. So here tomato is a common noun, cheese is a common noun, oven is a common noun. It was first made in Italy. Italy you can see is a name of a place. I is in capital, so it becomes a proper noun. Number 6, the Bermuda Triangle is a mysterious place. So here you can see Bermuda Triangle, B is in capital, T is in capital, so it becomes a proper noun. Number 7, the Red Square is a famous place in Moscow, Russia. So Red Square you can see is proper noun. Then Moscow is a proper noun, M is in capital, Russia is also a proper noun. Number 8, we must switch off lights and fans when they are not in use. So here you can see lights is common noun, fans is also common noun. Number 9, the doctor asked me to wear spectacles. Doctor is common noun. Why common noun? Because we are referring to all the doctors. But when we say a name of a specific doctor, then it becomes a proper noun. Spectacle is also a common noun. And the last one, 10, Dr. Khan treats sick animals. As I was telling you in the previous sentence, that doctor here is common noun. Why? Because it is being referred to all the doctors. But in the last sentence, number 10, you can see Dr. Khan. So it is a special name of a doctor, and we are referring to as Dr. Khan, special doctor. We are talking about one doctor, that is Dr. Khan. So it becomes a proper noun, that is Dr. Khan is a proper noun, and animals here is a common noun. So I have already told you how you have to do this, and now in the next column, that is common noun, proper noun, just first underline in the book, and then you have to take out which are common noun, you have to write in the common noun box, and which are proper noun, you have to write in the proper noun box. And as I told you, if the space is not enough, whatever the box is given in the book, then in the down portion you have place, you can draw a box, and then you can fill in the rest of the words. Okay children, I hope you now have a better understanding of common noun and proper noun, and you please complete the exercise what I did today, and then in my next class I will try to start the English workbook. Okay children, have a nice day, take care, bye.